Hello, emotionally intelligent ones. Today we're learning how to start conversations, how to make friends by initiating conversations. Because a simple hello and the courage to speak up can lead you to profitable friendships. Hello and welcome to video 22 of our social and emotional learning series. Ensure you watch other videos in this playlist for your learning and enjoyment. Why is it important to make friends? It is important to make friends because they help us grow, learn, share, create, and feel supported in our deeply connected world. Friendships often start with a conversation, and those conversations don't have to be perfect. They just have to be honest, kind, friendly, and respectful. What does it mean to initiate a conversation? It means you take the first step to talk to somebody, not by forcing, not by interrupting, but by starting gently and kindly. Let's learn 5 simple ways to start a conversation. Number 1, the friendly greeting. Say good morning, hello, hi, good evening, good afternoon as appropriate. Bonus tip, your smile can make your greetings feel warmer. Number 2, use the person's first name if you know it, because names help people feel seen. So you can say, good morning, David. Hi, Ife. Good afternoon, Brian. Hello, Janelle. Good evening, Timmy. And so on. Number three, ask a simple question, because questions invite people to speak. Number 4, give a kind compliment. Look for something about someone you genuinely like and tell them. Maybe their drawing, their shirt, their dance steps, or anything at all. Giving compliments is a good way to start a conversation. 5, conclusively, you can also find something you both like and talk about it. If you both like amala, pasta, football, reading, art, politics, or anything else at all, talk about it together. Please note that your calm voice, your smile, your honesty, paying attention, taking turns to speak, asking questions and listening will help you tremendously. In case you try to start a conversation and the person ignores you, says no, or seems uninterested, it doesn't mean anything is wrong with you. Sometimes people are not just ready, are busy, are shy, or even simply tired and they don't want to talk. You can move on or try again later. Rejection is not failure, it is redirection. So my dear emotionally intelligent ones, making friends begin with brave steps. A smile, a hello, a kind question, a little courage all go a long way. Please make sure you are starting your conversations with kindness and honesty, and you will open the door to beautiful new friendships. Did you enjoy this video? Please like it, put your feedbacks in the comments, share it with someone that needs to hear this. Watch other videos in this playlist for your learning and enjoyment, and subscribe to stay connected for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.